We're looking for entrepreneurs who want to help their tribes become more successful by implementing a powerful strategy called a virtual summit. This video is for you if you have a group or community of entrepreneurs who look to you for ongoing training and success strategies. Specifically, if your tribe is entrepreneurs looking to grow their list, launch a new platform, make more money, or increase their authority or influence while networking with other influencers. Hi, I'm Dr. Mark T. Wade, founder of Virtual Summit Software and creator of the One Day Summit Formula. I've built 6, 7, and multi-7-figure companies using virtual summits. I originally built the Virtual Summit software for my companies, but have now opened it up to any entrepreneur looking to quickly and easily host a successful summit. We want you to become a part of our Virtual Summit's influencer program and help your tribe become even more successful by referring them the Virtual Summit software. Simply share Virtual Summit software with your tribe via your referral link and get rewarded and compensated. So who's the software for? It's for any entrepreneur who's looking to grow a list, who's looking to monetize a current list, or who's looking to automate their business while still making more money. So what does Virtual Summit software actually do? Well, it makes it easy and simple to host a virtual summit. There's no tech skill needed whatsoever, no teams needed, and you can host it on any budget. Now, some of the specific features of Virtual Summit software is it allows you to host multiple summits from one location. It also has a landing page builder with multiple professional templates already built in. It has the speaker organization, management, and follow-up feature, and it allows you to run summits automatically, completely hands-off. Now, our most powerful feature is our Ever Summit feature, which allows you to rerun your summit as if it was live, ongoing, automatically, forever, with one click of a button. Now, summits are powerful. We know that. Russell Brunson just did 7 figures in 14 days from his 30-day funnel summit. Chandler Bolt launched his self-publishing school with a virtual summit. Michael Hyatt has his Impact Summit. Weber recently hosted a one-day podcasting summit, and Thinkific is currently hosting an online course summit. Now, successful influencers have always been the ones hosting summits, but now, thanks to Virtual Summit software, anyone can. Kevin recently ran his first summit called the Cairo Marketing Summit. He doubled his list and made $7,000. Lisa, with no online experience, online business, not even a website, ran the Keto 101 Summit. She got 3,600 leads and made $12,000 and now has a full online business. Mike ran his Microbiome Summit. He monetized a current list and made $50,000 in 2 days. My companies have run more than 25 summits and generated more than $2 million from those summits. We offer an amazing influencer incentive program to authentic entrepreneurs like yourself who truly want to help their tribes become more successful and inform them about Virtual Summit software. If you're interested in becoming one of our summit influencers and being rewarded, you can simply sign up below, or you can contact us directly to discuss specific ideas for your tribes. Things like a partner webinar session, a Facebook Live, an email campaign, or even running your own summit. Again, I'm Dr. Mark T. Wade, and I want you to join me as one of our summit influencers and add this successful strategy to your tribe while being rewarded at the same time.